is our first daily derivative. We have h of t equals 3t to the power of 7 minus 6t to the power of 4 plus 8t cubed minus 12t plus 18. Let's find the derivative of that. Let's note the power. We have two main rules that we want. Oh wow, that does not look very good. Hey, let's see if I can undo that. Okay. I don't remember the actual name for this one, but let's call it the addition rule for now. The power rule for differentiation is there you go. The derivative of x to any power is equal to that same power times x to the previous power. And then the addition rule, let's say f of x plus g of x equals x f of x plus d of dx. I can just say f prime of x plus g prime of x. That helps. Okay. Now that we have our two main rules, let's get started. Initially, we have 3t to the 7. What could be the derivative of that? Oh, I think there's one more rule that I need. If you're taking the derivative of something multiplied by a function, you can just factor that something out. So, initially we can factor out the 3. Say, let's use the power rule for this one, where n equals 7. We have 7x to the 7 minus 1. And then we can use the addition rule. That was f of x, the rest of this is g of x. And we can keep repeating these. Well, it's actually a negative 6. N equals 4. 4x to the 4 minus 1. And this keeps going on. Remember, t equals t to the 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kind of looks like it's a t primed. T equals t to the 1, and 1 equals t to the 0. Let's add that over to our notes over here. Let's keep going. Well, in this case, the power is 1, so 1 to the 1 minus 1. That's 18. The power is 0, so 0 t to the 0 minus 1. Let's maybe move this over a bit. Let's start simplifying. 3 times 7 is 21. 7 minus 1 is 6. Negative 6 times 4 is 24. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 times 3 is positive 24. 3 minus 1 is 2. Oops. There you go. Negative 12 times 1 is negative 12. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Remember, t to the 0 equals 1. So negative 12 times 1. 18 times 0 equals 0. T to 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Let's simplify one more time. You can keep most of them, but these last two terms are a little tricky. Negative 12 times 1 is negative 12. 0 times t to the negative 1 is just 0. There you go. And that's all. Nice. Okay, let's move these over. And there you go. Our first daily derivative. Yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. And if possible, can you please give me a function for me to differentiate? That would be splendid. Maybe one that you're confused about. That would be really nice. Ta-ta.